Morning guys, welcome back to another video. It's Sunday morning, not in the driver's seat this morning. It's going on a little drive. Where are we going? We're going to Walmart. Grab a few stuff. Yeah, grab a few stuff. It's been a while since we've done one of these videos. We're not in the driver's seat. But yeah, she's still in the driver's seat guys. Getting more and more comfortable. No, different kind of bird. Yeah. Bird, man. Yes guys, so if you haven't figured it out already, we're actually in Walmart picking up a few supplies for the Andersons. We do have our normal services guys, in case you are new here. We do LOE writing, invitation letter writing, resume, revamp. Those are just some of the services that we offer. So if it is that you want to help with revamping your resume, don't hesitate to reach out. If it is that you're interested in any of these services, don't hesitate to check out all the links in the video description right down below. Check out our Calendly, book a session, and we can definitely take it from there. Alright guys, so just in Walmart right now, just grabbing a few stationery and a few other little stuff. Sunday morning here in Grand Prairie, it's a little bit chilly, not too bad. Yes guys, so we're done with Walmart. It wasn't too busy today, but I told you guys about resume writing. So this is my professional resume writer, Rochelle, who's doing an amazing job by the way. How do you find it so far, Rochelle?
It's okay. At the end when I get back those testimonial like, listen, this is definitely an upgrade, or whoa, I didn't really realize that, I had these skills, or my resume could look like this. It gives me a feeling of fulfillment, like yes, I've achieved something, I've made somebody there, and
So what would you say is the biggest like, you've gotten quite a few resumes already.
Yeah.
You've gotten quite a few resumes already. What would you say is a common factor with all the resumes that you have gotten already in terms of how do they look?
that's step one. You have to choose the right format to suit your resume, right? And you have to ensure that it is clear, because you have to remember that employer, they are busy. You want your resume to stand out. You want them to want to look at your resume.
Yeah.
Because they're getting hundreds of maybe thousands of resumes.
Yeah.
Right? So that's the first step. And the mistake I see most people making, the biggest mistake, is that they are listing their responsibilities under the job. So for instance, they basically copy and paste their
the job description. Malia, hold it down a little bit. Yeah, copy and paste the job description.
Don't do that, people.
What should they be doing instead?
They should list their achievements.
Okay.
What you have accomplished on the job. So for instance, you have exceeded your KPIs multiple times, you can list that. You can put figures, numbers, percentage.
Yeah, we don't want to give too much secret though, because otherwise you're not gonna get no bookings. But I don't know. Do you think revamping to a Canadian style resume makes sense, or like you've been on a couple interviews already? Would you say that the basic resume that you have seen is good enough, or should they be revamping it?
They have to revamp their resume. Have to, because all the resume I've gotten so far, I'm sure that wouldn't make it past the sorting stage.
Initial stage.
Yeah, it wouldn't, because it wouldn't even land them an interview.
Yeah. And I agree, because we've seen some pretty dodgy resumes. So look at one pager with some little, you know?
Also 3 pages, 4 pages. I've seen that too. That's too much. And that's, it's all over the place and jumbled up.
So what would you say? Because one of the things that I know we were talking about is the fact that persons overshare some information on their resumes. Like they put some stuff that is not really relevant, like them what did you say again?
Personal information. So for instance, you don't need to put your date of birth, your marital status, how many children you have. Yes.
So you have seen that, like how many kids they have,
health condition, your weight, your
So hold on, weight is on resumes too?
Just kidding. But, you don't have to put past your name. Your number and email address.
An email address.
Yes.
Okay.
Address in some case.
Hello. No, I know exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah.
Well, I see my one is not fair, and there's still one more.
Yep. So you here. The packing, like the sachet shampoo and condition. Yeah, then we could pack something there. Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Yeah, they have plastic. No, and then we use it. Huh? Yeah, it's like it's a leaving conditioner. After your shampoo, your cream, shampoo, do everything. Last thing you throw that in there and then style it what you want. So guys, we are in Sally's. Yes. Getting some eyelash and some ear products.
God.
Some makeup.
Yeah, I'm going to try glamour for my anniversary next week Sunday.
Yes, guys, our
I'm
anniversary
going to
is
try the island.
is one day before my birthday, so yes. Sorry, Charlie.
Another beautiful day in Grand Prairie, guys. Yeah, so I just wanted to finish this video by just talking to you guys a little bit about what you should be doing if it is that you are trying to find a job in Canada, right? Okay, if it is that you're looking to find a job in Canada, first thing you want to do, guys, is to make sure that you're applying for jobs that you are qualified for. A lot of persons try to apply for jobs randomly, but try to look for jobs that you have experience in and you know you'll be able to excel in. And when you find that you're applying for jobs that you're qualified for, it makes it a lot easier. Now, in order to show that you're qualified for the job, guys, you want to make sure that your resume is speaking for you. You want to make sure that your resume is speaking for you. Oftentimes, the employer will only see your resume and don't get a chance to meet you face to face. You want to make sure that your resume is saying all the things that you want it to say. And of course, if you guys need help with that, you guys can definitely reach out and we can get that started out for you guys as well, right? So don't just leave it to chance. Don't think that everything is just automatic. You have to invest in yourself in order to get the reward that you want. In addition to applying for jobs you're qualified for and also your resume, in some cases you want to write a cover letter. In your cover letter, state what value you will bring to the employer's team, and also why should they go above and beyond to employ somebody who's international potentially rather than somebody who's already on a work permit, etc., etc., etc. You want to make sure that you're stating all the values that you will bring. So just similar to when you're applying for your study permit or work permit or whatever the case may be, you're writing to the visa officer stating to them why they should give you the visa. It's the same thing. You're writing to the employer stating why they should hire you, and state a claim and state the best possible case you can. Now, don't rush it. It's not something that can be done just by going through the motions. You want to make sure that you're doing things targeted, being intentional, and investing in yourself the best way that you can. Alright, guys, so in case you don't know already, or if in case you missed it at the beginning of this video, we do offer services where we help write letter of explanation. If you want an invitation letter to be written but you don't know what to put in it, we also offer that service. Resume writing, revamp, cover letter, pretty much all the documents that you need to help with your Canadian journey. We do help with that as well. Check out all the links in the description, the calendar link right in the description. Book a session and we'll definitely be happy to connect with you. And you know what, guys, we have a very high success rate. We have a lot of testimonials coming, so you guys can get an idea of what our success rate is as well. Alright, guys, if you haven't liked the video already, smash a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and leave a comment. Alright, guys, see you guys in the next video.